Somebody has to finally address this issue. Mining crypto can be an extremely expensive process if you're not doing it right. But I'm here to help you out, guys, and in the following minutes I'm about to provide you with an alternative that everybody can take advantage of regardless of their level of experience or their income. The most impressive feature about this whole process is going to be the technology and the vision behind it. DCFS aims to provide a cost-effective and infinitely scalable distributed high-performance computing network for all industries. This project is the result of years of development and research, and among the issues they tackle are low cost, low latency, massive data privacy and security, and synergy optimization. They've also made sure to come up with improvements for operation and maintenance, autonomy, and big data storage and computing coupling optimization. Now guys, I'm not going to dive too deep into the technical aspects behind DCFS, and instead of that, we're just going to focus on the features that will make our timeline more profitable. However, if you'd like to do some further research on their project and the benefits they are going to provide you with, I'm going to actually link their white paper in the description so you can check it out. They're building an entire ecosystem that is composed of token owners, clients, nodes, developers, and ecosystem partners. The DCFS Foundation is formed by experts in the field of distributed computing, cryptography, blockchain, and finance, who aims to serve the DCFS public gene and build a globally distributed computing network ecosystem to continuously improve the public chain ecosystem. And if you're a crypto enthusiast just like me, token distribution might be something that interests you. The DCFS management, operation, and maintenance team is going to keep 1% of the total supply, which is going to be 5 million. There are going to be another 5 million coins in airdrops, 10 million in community incentives, 60 million or 12% is going to be added to the DeFi pool, 20% goes to the ecosystem building, 5% to the DCFS Foundation, another 5% to the DCFS Joint Labs, and finally 54% or 270 million tokens, they will go to the computing power mining rewards. Now, the foundation has incubated various applications such as DEX, NFT, DAO, and Metaverse to serve the future digital economy. Their token is called a Distributed Computing Coin, or DCC for short, with a face total number of 500 million tokens that guarantees no additional, and that is going to be really important. If you want to learn more about their tokenomics, that will also be available in the white paper that I'm going to link. And when it comes to upcoming projects, it is very important that they have a clear roadmap that they could follow. And as you can see right here, the white paper was released back in December of 2021, and they're looking to launch their Metaverse D apps in June of 2022, so just a few months from now, and that is going to be a big event. Moving forward this month, we're also going to expect the DeFi Mining Decentralized Exchange launch with a lot of additional developments along the way. Remember, DCC is the name of the token that we are focusing on. I want you guys to head over to dcfs.finance. With the core idea of computing power as the core and application as the driving force, DCFS will be the public chain of computing power infrastructure in the digital economy environment, and here is how their technology architecture is going to look like. First of all, we've got the user, then the computer user, dispatch center, and finally the DCC chain. And the opportunities they are going to provide, well, they are going to be limitless. You're going to have a hash rate reward mechanism. DCC is a decentralized blockchain digital asset based on DCFS. As we have discovered, it is a DEP20 standard token based on DCFS blockchain, and that is going to provide us with both staking and mining opportunities. Now, just like you can connect to blockchain.com/explorer and see the latest blocks and the latest transactions, you can also head over to DCFS, and that is going to do the same thing for the DCFS blockchain. Now guys, when it comes to any investment you make in the crypto world, you need to make sure that your money is secure, and fairyproof.com has actually taken the time to make it a safer place. They are making the internet a safer place when it comes to your investments. In other words, their job is reviewing crypto tokens and making sure they are legit. And guess what? These guys have also done an audit on the DCC token and the results are spectacular. As you can see, the token symbol is DCC, and as I've just told you, the maximum supply is 500 million. And after thorough investigations and coverage of issues, guess what? No issues were found. That actually makes me very hopeful about this whole project. Now guys, remember you need to make sure that your capital is in safe hands and you need to do your own research before investing in any token. Now getting back to the DCC token, if you connect to this website that I'm also going to link in the description, you can see the current price, that is $0.58. The token was just released a few days ago on the 11th of January. Their growth has been pretty steady so far, as you can see on the chart. Now guys, new tokens and new coins are being added into circulation on a daily basis. But the main thing that sets DCC apart from its competitors is the vision and the technology backing this project. Remember, this is not just some meme coin designed to make some extra cash for the developers. Instead, this is a genuine verified token with a comprehensive white paper behind it. And not only does the white paper cover their whole background, but it also focuses on their vision. And as you can see by taking a glance at the roadmap, they're here for the long run. They have even got plans for January 2024. So they're focusing on the future here. And remember, when it comes to the near future, they're planning on launching their Metaverse dApps in June of 2022, so just a few months from now. And if you guys have been following my recent content, I'm a huge believer in the Metaverse. I genuinely think it is going to become quite a big thing again. And as you can see by taking a look at Google Trends, the interest in the Metaverse is almost at an all-time high. Now, of course, when it comes to the price of the DCC token, I cannot make any predictions. However, what I can do is provide you with all the resources you need so you can do your own research and see whether or not this is going to be a good investment. Now guys, if you start using the DCFS blockchain, transparency is going to be a key part of the process. As you can see, if you connect to the DCFS Block Explorer via the link that I have just shared, you will be able to check all of the latest blocks and the latest transactions, and this is going to be in a very similar way to how it works on blockchain.com. And so you can actually monitor all of your transactions and be in control 100% of the time. And guys, if you have done all the research and you're looking to purchase that DCC token, you can easily do that by going over to dcfs.finance. As you can see right here, you're able to get the DCC token and connect your MetaMask wallet or any other that you have. Getting DCC can also be done through PancakeSwap. That is a decentralized exchange, and you can actually swap USD, US dollars, or some other cryptocurrencies, whichever you prefer, for DCC right here. And if you guys want to be up to date with the latest news about this token, I'm going to link both their Twitter and their Telegram group. They're always staying in touch with their community so everybody can be informed about their latest releases and updates. Remember, research is key when it comes to being successful in the crypto world, so I highly advise you guys to check out all of the documents that I'm about to link in the description of this video so you can be well informed. Do your research, take action, and I will see you next time.